That was crazy.
That is definitely a tornado waiting to happen.
That's a fucking tornado. That's a fucking tornado, dude.
The bottom of it changes form really quickly.
I know, you can totally see it coming down.
That's getting growing. It's growing too.
Yep, it is, isn't it?
Wow, it's getting longer.
I know.
That thing's getting low, buddy.
Yeah, it is. Holy shit, I've never seen a tornado in live before.
Holy shit, that's good.
It's down below that light pole now.
Yeah, oh, that's almost touched down. Holy shit. You think we should like go somewhere?
Oh my god.
Somebody look around. Is there any more coming down, by the way?
Yeah, I just looked at the reference.
I'm filming this tornado, actually.
Awesome. I'll take it.
How far up do you think that is?
What's that?
Like past Erie?
Yeah.
But not that far.
I guess I'll keep going.